At DigiArt Design Services, we create stunning snap-on smile designs using advanced CAD/CAM technology. Our process combines precision, comfort, and aesthetics to deliver beautiful, natural-looking results that meet the highest standards. Our talented team turns digital impressions into accurate 3D models, crafting snap-on smiles that fit perfectly and look amazing. We're dedicated to quality and innovation, ensuring every detail is just right. This video highlights the final product, a perfect example of our commitment to excellence. Choose DigiArt Design Services for modern, reliable dental solutions that make a difference.